Tomorrow Pirik is helping me to bring Karl back to Shelter Bay. And it's one more night in Marina, and we're going to the little village of Cacique to have a little dinner. And we had a really tasty sierra, which is fish close to the mackerel. Okay, this is it. The new sails are mounted and the engine is working. And Pirik is helping me to bring the boat to Shelter Bay. So we're just about to leave the mooring and the weather seems to be good. And I hope we'll get there this evening. And I hope we have a nice sail. Let's see. We're sailing and I'm just preparing something to eat. And it's going fine, the engine worked fine and now we're sailing. It's beautiful weather, wind could be a little bit more, but it's great. And Pirik is outside, he's holding the tiller, steering. And you can see it's beautiful weather, it's just perfect. And there's no engine sound, nothing. Just pure sailing. New sails. After 8 hours of beautiful sailing, Karl and me are back in Shelter Bay. And I guess tomorrow it's time to set up the schedule for Karl's haul out. See you next week!